What's on YouTube, bruh? This Able. Yeah. Said, man, but I made this jerky video. So you already know I'm about to get off. But I got some shout-outs to do. Man, hold on, man. Let me go look at these fucking shout-outs. I got a list of shout-outs I need to make. For all these niggas who be jerking and shit. Shout out to YouTube for letting me make this type shit on you, on fucking making these jerky videos, man. Shout out to YouTube. Niggas don't even do that, man. Shout out to the Rangers. Shout out to Jink. Shout out to, what's her name, dog? Well, you gonna see. I'm gonna put it on my description. Shout out to subscriptions. I got buku subscriptions I need to shout out. Shout out to MDH, Monday Hippies. Shout out to them. Shout out to Mr. Cruz. He live in ATL. Yeah, they be jerking too. Shout out to Sick and Jerk. Them niggas cold too. Shout out to my son Quill, Mike, Greg, Flyfin, Flyfin, yeah. That's all. But I'm about to get off. You already know that.
I am that jerk. I am that jerk who wants to know.
Hey, hello, I'm that super jerk. Hey, hello, I'm that super jerk. Hey, hello, I'm that super jerk. I'm that super jerk. I'm that super jerk. They say I don't got steam, so other times like the death. And man, I fly, I live high like I was living with the Jetsons. I'm a dog so sick, man, I need to see a vet. Jink rep, mix it up like trail mix. Mic check, head general in charge. You ain't nothing but a rent. A couple people biting off me than a 5-star restaurant. My flow is automatic like the whole Pacific Ocean do. You haters up and shocked like I was having lunch with Pikachu.
Hey, hello, I'm that super jerk. Hey, hello, I'm that super jerk. Hey, hello, face that super jerk. Face that super jerk. Face that super jerk.
I said jerking ain't a dance, it's a mother freaking lifestyle. Walk up in the spot, NAL, when they get down, I'm like, back up, cause I'm way too fly to be seen with you guys that spread like lights. I'm a jerk that jerks, y'all just rejects that reject. And if you got a problem, just step to my two-step. Y'all funny like Mike Epps and I rep Jink. Y'all know that phase money spread like ink.
What's good with it? I'm that super jerk. She freaks with me cause I'm that super jerk. And I'm nifty, I'm that super jerk. I'm that super jerk, I'm that super jerk. Got cold stones, got ice cause I got twins. Get like me, nah, but we all got dreams though. Get more head in other sides of the peep-hole. Me, I'm a jerk, man. What is all this weed, bro? You just a loser, color skitties couldn't make you cool. Just a colorful square, Mr. Rubik's cute, nifty. Needs me some buns and some boobs, and my swag's tight, so I got your girl loose. Hey, hello, I'm that super jerk. Hey, hello, I'm that super jerk. Hey, hello, I'm that super jerk. I'm that super jerk. I'm that super jerk. I cannot believe me, I am so sickly. I walk up in the spot, everybody wanna be me. Girls be like, damn, he's spiffy like a newbie. Jump behind one, work her faster than a preemie. Niggas mad cause I work they girls like voodoo. Honey jumped on my carrot faster than bunnies do. Steez to the roof, played her out like he beats to. LOL, OMG, I get more play than kid do.
Hey, hello, I'm that super jerk. Hey, hello, I'm that super jerk. Hey, hello, I'm that super jerk. I'm that super jerk. I'm that super jerk.
Hey, hello, I'm that super jerk. Hey, hello, I'm that super jerk. Hey, hello, face that super jerk. Face that super jerk. Face that super jerk.
What's good with it? I'm that super jerk. She freaks with me cause I'm that super jerk. And I'm nifty, I'm that super jerk. I'm that super jerk. I'm that super jerk. Hey, hello, I'm that super jerk. Hey, hello, I'm that super jerk. Hey, hello, I'm that super jerk. I'm that super jerk. I'm that super jerk.
Hey, hello, face that super jerk. Hey, hello, spank that super jerk. Hey, hello, nifty super jerk. CJ super jerk. Almighty that super jerk.